Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to do basically monotone. So there's a pattern known as monotone. So we're going to go ahead and create a console application once again. So we're going to go ahead and add another class like we did last time. New file, class, empty class. We'll call it, well, let's call it config manager. Just like the configuration manager in system.config, that assembly. And basically, this is used across the .NET framework. You can do configuration manager.app settings or connection strings. So we're going to go ahead and have it basically a bunch of static things that we're going to go ahead and share. So string, constring is equal to, data source is equal to my SQL server instance name, whatever it would be, and initial catalog. So is it? Yeah, initial catalog. It's not an ampersand. Sorry about that. It's a semicolon. We'll call it my DB or my database, and we'll go integrated security. Security equals true. So basically use my Windows identity. And that's a connection string that we want to be able to access at any given time. Let's go ahead and do public static int, and this int is going to be something I'm going to share across multiple multiple classes and multiple threads, and I never want it to change. We want it all to be read-only. Static is fine, but with read-only, then it can't be changed, and that's basically what you want a monotone for anyway. So int number of enemies on the screen, or whatever you wanted to say, enemies on the screen, and we're going to say 200, and go ahead and do a public read-only static. We'll do double tax rate. So if you ever came into a situation where you'd pull it from the database, granted, but if you want to make your own version of, like, say, Quicken Loans or whatever, and it comes to the point where you don't want to actually share this info, you just want to have it at one thing, and it's always going to change every year, and that's how it is. So we'll say we'll pick a state. I'll pick one of my sister states here, Indiana, the state of the damned. I mean, no, I'm just kidding, of course. But let's go ahead and set that to 5.5. How'd you like that? That's an amazing tax rate right there. It's 500.5%. I guess tax rate would be 5.5. Yeah. And we'll make it sales tax. Never seen such tax rates so low in this day and age, eh? So anyway, let's go ahead and do that. Program I'm going to go ahead and replace console.writeLine with config manager dot constring. I'm going to go ahead and print that out. I'm going to go ahead and print out everything else about this. So config manager dot, nope, if I can do it, dot number of enemies. And I think you get the point, how easy it is to write a monotone pattern. So sales tax in Indiana multiplied by 10, because we bought 10 of something, and that was at $5. What did we buy? I don't know, but we bought something. So let's go ahead and alright. And of course, as you probably guessed, it was this that we need to do. Sales tax in Indiana. Yep, we bought 10 of something. That's what it is. Building the monotone solution. Here we go. And 55.5. So basically, we're paying 55 cents, it looks like. So anyway, let's go ahead and call this a video, and I look forward to speaking with you in our next video. Thank you.